You've probably seen thousands of trees in your life, but I guarantee you've never seen one like this because it's hiding. Deep in the Brazilian savanna, scientists recently discovered a tree that spends almost its entire life underground. Seriously. It's called Peningus subterranea, and it's so wild it made the weird but true list for 2026. While you might see a few leaves poking out, the real magic is happening beneath your feet. Unlike every other tree you know, its flowers and fruits actually grow under the soil. So how does it spread its seeds? It relies on underground creatures, like armadillos, to dig up its fruit and carry the seeds away. It's a hidden world of botany that completely flips what we thought we knew about trees. Nature is just full of surprises, isn't it? If you found that as cool as I did, hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing facts.